What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at something called while loop. What does while loop do is it simplify your work. Let's say you want to print something for long lines, like you want to do multiple print statement and you want to print out something. You can simplify that work with while loop. Now let's see how to do that. First of all, I use initialize this one with integer counter. I set a variable called counter and I initialize that one with 0. This is the initialization. Whatever the number you put in, that's going to be the beginning. Okay, and then while, and we are going to set a limit counter. Let's say we want to print less than 10, so I put less than 10, so it's going to go from 0 to less than 10, so it means 0 to 9. Then we are going to give the print statement print system.out system.out.println counter, and then okay, close this one. Now we have to do the increment, like we initialize it on 0 and we want the numbers less than 10. Now we have to do the increment by 1, like 0 and then after that 1 and then after that 2. So do the increment by 1, we put counter plus plus, so it's going to do the increment by 1. Now when I go ahead and run this one, let's see what happens. Run this one, you can see it goes from 0 to 9. That's what we want, because that's what we want, because we initialize this one with 0, integer counter 0, and then we set the limit less than 10, so it cannot be 10, it should go up to 9. And then we did the increment by 1 each time, like plus plus is increment by 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's what we expect. Okay, that's how we use a while loop in Java programming. There are many different loop, for loop and all other things. I will do those videos in my next upcoming videos. See you guys later, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys next time.